up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 1 Subject English Text Topic Buying Things. Today we are going to study the chapter Buying Things. The character in this chapter are as follows: Soham and Reva and their mother and father. Buying things. Soham and Reva are going to a shop with their parents. What a big shop! Mother wanted to buy some things. Father wanted to buy some things. How about you, children? Do you want to buy something on your own? Here's some money. You can use it to buy anything you like. Soham and Reva are going to shop with their parents. The shop was big, so mother and father both wanted to buy some things. And they asked, Soham and Reva, do you want to buy something on your own? Here's some money. You can buy whatever you like. Shall we buy chocolates? Shall we buy crayons? Shall we buy a toy? Please help us, mother. What should we buy? Well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly. Or you can buy something that will last long. You can buy some things made by others, or you can buy things and make something yourself. Soham and Reva were thinking, shall we buy chocolates, crayons, or toy? But they were confused, so they took help of their mother. Mother said, buy something that will finish up quickly or something that will last long. Or else you can buy something that are made by others, or you can make something for yourself. That's a good idea. Let's buy things and make new things with them. Soham and Reva picked up some things. They went to the counter. We want to buy this paper, glue and colors. How much is it? 95 rupees in all. Here's the money. 100 rupees. Thank you. I must give you 5 rupees back. Here it is. That's right. Thank you. Soham and Reva had a good idea. So they decided to buy things and make new things with them. Soham and Reva picked some colors, glue and papers. And they went to the counter and asked, how much for this? Shopkeeper said 95 rupees. So they both gave 100 rupees to shopkeeper. Shopkeeper gave them 5 rupees back and said thank you. So students, we should always buy things that are useful to us. Now students, moving forward towards our exercise. Look and see. Own, finish, colors, money, idea, must, shop, anything, counter, picked, last, buy, paper, quickly. Now students, we are moving forward towards our next exercise. Complete the following table. 1. Many. 1 means single and more than 1 means many. 1 shop, many shops. 1 thing, many things. 1 toy, many toys. 1 color, many colors. Thank you for watching. Keep learning something new every day.